of all, I don't know who you are. Second of all, he called me, not you.
Who's that, dude?
The sun is out and it's hot again. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Oh, what do I see? What do I see? Look what I've spotted in the wild. Oh, we've been spotted. We've been spotted. He has returned from the land of Paris, the land of oui, filling his mouth full of baguettes, si. Wait, that's Spanish, never mind. Will, it's been so long. It's been 10 days. You've been gone for 10 days, Will.
Not enough time.
Not enough time?
Because I have to deal with you again.
Will,
and Sean, Sean.
Oh, you like this, Will. You've been texting in the trip like, hey, let's do a tip of the day, bro.
Yeah, but you don't FaceTime me. Dude, there was Teslas and M2s and stuff that were dirty and had hail damage and all these weird things.
There's Teslas there?
Yes. We got dead bodies here.
Oh, those are the catacombs, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, you're really starting to make me lose my interest right now. I am losing my interest as we speak, bro.
I didn't know you had like feelings or interest or anything like that.
Says a guy who's monotone all the time.
Tesla.
If I wanted to see a stock Tesla, I can go outside and look at mine. I have not seen a satin gray AMG GT63 ever. Wait, what? What's going on? It's satin but gloss, Oh, that's right, we're wrapping this, I forgot. Duh. And look what we got, another Model X. What are we doing with this one, guys? We've wrapped a Model X in full satin guard before. We've even wrapped one gold and black for Marriott downtown Houston, the hotel. What can we be doing now for this one? Well guys, we're gonna be wrapping this entire Model X silver. So I'll show you what that looks like. I don't even know what color the silver is yet. So once I know, I'll show you, and then we can start thinking like, oh my god, is it gonna look good? Is it gonna look bad? Like, what's it gonna look like? We can start doing all that, and yeah, I'll show you. Will, so while you were gone, what'd you think of Sean's Just the Tip?
You will.
Which one was it?
You will. Hey guys, alright, so today we have a tip for you guys. Well, tips are really not that good. Yes,
I don't even use the knife. Like, I don't even cut my knife.
So when pulling knifeless, you have to pull it slow. Almost as slow as Will. Look how sharp that line is. Way sharper than Will's paint correction. Oh, look at that.
Ouch, this mother.
I just amaze myself sometimes. You will.
They're complete doo-doo.
Guys, the Jeep is leaving today. The driver's here to pick it up. We barely had any time together. It's okay, because you're gonna come back stronger. You're gonna come back better, okay? So we're gonna let you go now. We have the Model 3 out here because we just got done doing the Clearbra on the full car, so we're letting it sit, letting it cure in this bright, amazing Houston heat. Just making sure everything looks good. We're doing a little QC right now, making sure it looks good. So we have Clearbra on the full hood, the front fenders, the full front bumper, and we even have it on the headlight. And just show you guys the clarity of the film. The fender obviously has Clearguard Nano, but the driver door does not, and you can tell there's no difference between the color of the car. It looks identical. And while that Model 3 outside cures, we're tinting another Model 3 in here as well. So we're doing sides and back and the sunroof. Of course, nothing but the best film photo sync on this thing. So I did a tint demo not too long ago on two Model 3s, one with photo sync, one without. So I'm gonna roll to that right now, but the cool thing with this is it's not super scientific, I know, but just take a look and see what you think. I think it's kind of cool. Check it out. All right, so I have two Teslas side by side. The sun is over there on the left. I'm gonna do the quarter window just because it angles a little bit better towards the sun than this window. I ideally want to do this window just because I can open it and it'll be less effective with the interior cabin, but unfortunately, obviously, as you can see, when I open it, it actually faces away. So I'm gonna try this window instead. So this car actually has been driven, it just got here, so it's actually a little bit cooler than the black one, but let's just see how it does. So I'm gonna place it like so you guys see it. It's up, angled up. I'm gonna try, what is it reading? So it's reading about 92, 93. So say, so like low 90s, right? Low 90s. So this car's been sitting here since we got here. So this is a lot longer. So let's see how this one looks. So same thing, I'll put it here towards the window. And it's actually closer to the sun anyways. This is reading 22. That's a pretty big difference. And it's been sitting here for at least another good hour to 2 hours before the blue one. It's reading about 70 BTUs less. and it's closer to the sun. So let me try and make it worse. Can I make it worse if I wanted to? Because I'm like right up at the window, and it's still reading 20. And as you can see, it's closer to the sun than the blue one is. So this was reading outside the glass next to the black one, pointing at the sun. So about 300. And I'll do the same for the blue one too, just so you guys have an idea. So the blue one, again, is about 300. Blue one again is about 300. Now I know this is not an exact test. This is not scientific at all, and by any means. Don't at me. All I want from this is just to serve as a benchmark to pique your interest about photosync. And if you want to learn more about the film, come on by in person. We'll be more than happy to talk about it with you. And you can find all of our information down below in the description, our address, our location, our phone, our store hours. Come on by. We'd love to meet you. Hey, so Sean wants to buy your diffuser.
Will, hear me out.
But I don't want to
Not buy. He wants to trade.
Hear me out. Will, hear me out.
No, that's gonna go in my car as soon as I get everything done.
No. I'm just saying, it would look better on my car because you got too much eBay carbon on your car.
Hey, I think this is a good idea. So I'm thinking,
Oh, this is.
I get him to trade me work, right? And I just give him the diffuser.
Are y'all gonna give me money for it?
I'm just gonna get him to work for us by giving us final work on anything, and we'll just give him the diffuser. What do you think?
I want between 500 and 1300 on it.
No, you don't understand. You don't understand, Will. You're getting nothing.
What do you mean?
No, you're getting. You're not gonna get anything.
Why?
Because I'm giving him the diffuser for work.
No. It's not for sale. Don't give it to him.
This is a good idea,
It's
Will.
not a good idea.
I will just have him wrap your car for you, bro. Don't worry about it. We'll talk when you get back, Will. We'll talk when you get back. Cause I think you're a little flustered right now.
Do you understand what he's saying?
Who the fuck is that?
Because he didn't stutter. He said no. He said no.
First of all, I don't know who you are. Second of all, he called me, not you. Okay, so I don't know why you're butting into this.
Who the fuck is that?
Who's that, dude?
Who the fuck is that?
You know me, Will, so he can do his job?
Damn, that looks like some Halloween stuff right there, man. Look at this! Bro, you're making a mess everywhere! Cool. So as you guys can see, we have now removed the chrome trim on the Model X. You don't need to do this, but the reason we do it is so that we can get that nice little extra bit of coverage, especially since the color of the wrap is silver and this is obviously white. We want to try to hide as much white as possible. Yeah, we extra, but you know, we extra for a good reason, dog. We're unraveling the film, getting it ready. We're gonna start with the hood. The hood is gonna be the first panel we're gonna wrap.
That's the most satisfying part.
The wrap has begun. Okay, so while Sean is working on the Model X, Dustin's working on the Model 3, John is working on a CLS 63. We are Clearbraing the full front end of this thing. My bad, this is CLS 63S. Has a little bit more of a, you know what I'm saying? Because it's S, okay. Look at this rear spoiler. It's massive. Oh my god. I mean, like, it's cool. Alright guys, so the hood is done. Yo, Sean, bro, I think you outdid yourself, man.
I think we did.
Look at the edges, man. Tell me this does not look like paint. Oh, Sean, mucho gusto. This looks clean as hell.
What do you think, Haywood? You approve?
Yeah, it's solid, bro.
Pretty happy with it. I think it looks factory, and that's the key.
Look at that. You could not tell that this was wrapped. You'd be like, oh man, this is factory, bro. Once we're done with the whole car, that is. You'd be like, oh man, this is factory. What are you talking about? I'm excited for this. This looks good. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to work on your car, hit us up. We want to work on your car. Our content info is in the description down below. Let us know what you need. We'll be more than happy to take care of you as long as you are part of the EVS crew. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Where are you?
Haywood.
What?
I found something cool that they have in Paris.
What do they have?
Microfiber gloves.
Oh,
Look
that's...
at this. You can use them for everything. They're meant for Teslas.
Are you gonna buy that?
I might.
So what's the tip then? Just a tip. Just a tip. Just a tip. with me.
Who the fuck is that?
Hey, put a smile on your face.
Tip of the day, use these if you want to get in tight corners
Hey,
in
Will.
your interior.
Will, who pissed in her cornflakes?
So what?
Who pissed in her cornflakes?
No, don't say it. Don't do anymore. Dude,
Who pissed in
bye-bye.
her cornflakes?